So thank you very much once again. I appreciate you for your time. Today we're going to look at something very important that is to do with insert, copy and paste in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, what you need to know, cutting, copying and pasting in Excel is a very simple way to manage and manipulate data. So let's start with cutting. The difference between cut and copy is that when you cut something, cut will tell a computer that delete this content and don't keep the original. Whereas copy tells the computer that my friend, get a copy of this content but keep the original. So to cut, you select the sheet you want to cut. So in this case, I'm going to select column B because I want to cut that. After that, right click on the selection and select cut. So I'm going to right click on that selection and then I'm going to select cut. Okay, I select this, right click on it and select cut. Then the whole region that is going to be transferred will be selected. Go and select where you want to put the information. So going to paste the information here, right click on that selection and select paste. After that, the whole information will be transferred from this to that. And if you are to see that is that the information has now been removed from the original location to a new location. What about copying? To copy, select the area of the sheet you want to copy and then right click on the selection and select copy. So in this case, I'm going to select this region that I want to copy, right click on it, then select copy. After that, go where you want to transfer the work or the information, right click on that selection and select paste. Then the information will be pasted. But now in this case, you can see I have this but I still have the original, meaning with copy I have two copies. One is the original and then the other one is the copy of what I've been transferred. So to paste, of course, is very important and very easy. You have to go to the location where you want to paste the data, then you right click and paste. You can also use the keyboard shortcut. For example, the keyboard shortcut for cut is Ctrl X on the keyboard, whereas the one for copy is Ctrl C and the one for paste is Ctrl V. When you use those keyboard shortcuts, you can still achieve what you want. But remember, before you press Ctrl C, you need to highlight the region or the work you want to copy. If you want to use Ctrl X as cut option, then you have to first select the area or the work you want to cut. If you want to use Ctrl V as an option for paste, then you have to select the area where you want the work to be transferred. When you do that, I know each and everything will be achieved as planned. Thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.